today, I won't be doing the work. I'm going to attempt to teach someone how to Bondo. It's a learning process. You're going to see mistakes. When we're learning, we do make mistakes. So sit back and enjoy. It's probably going to be a short one because we're not going to DA or sand. We're just going to show him how to lay the Bondo, do it correctly, and then later on we'll DA. So a bit of a process. As you know, as always on my channel, it's a process. It comes in parts. All right, appreciate y'all watching, coming back, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you get all notifications. And don't forget to like and comment on the videos. All right, that's the only way I get better. So without further ado, just showing him how to spread it out evenly. So I'll keep my hand up straight.
Yeah.
See how that exists? Alright, so show him how to use the big spread. Now we're going to go to the 2-inch and I'll show him how to do the small areas. So the build up thick. Yeah, if you see yellow, go to put some over it, pull a thin layer to, if it's thick, don't worry. It's just more time for you to sand and learn. Block it anyway. Show them how to proportionally mix. Show them how to spread. He's not perfect. Nobody is. If you are, you're probably Zeus. All right. Hey, this is gonna be it for today's video. Me attempting to teach him how to Bondo, how to mix, spread, get in those tight spots. He did pretty good. I helped him on the top piece, some on the other side, and let him tackle us on his own. And he's just gonna block and keep going with it till he gets it right. I'm gonna check it, have Carlos check it, see where it goes. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment. Anything I did wrong, please let me know. Don't forget to like the video if you do, and subscribe if you haven't already. Hey, keep texting me. Happy holidays. So vlogmas video, they don't stop. Hey, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. All right, so you guys take care, be safe out there, and enjoy the season. Bye.
Wait. Code Bondo for $2 off on merch.
What he said.